Good day all. I am Dr. T. Arunmozhi, Assistant Professor and Head Department of Commerce, KCS Kasinada College of Arts and Science. I welcome you all for the presentation on solved problems in production budget from the chapter Budgeting in the textbook Management Accounting. It is based on the curriculum of all universities on this subject. Before we proceed with the problem, production budget, already I have given you a brief introduction in my previous videos, but another recapitulation. Production budget, it provides an estimate of the total volume of production product wise with the scheduling of operations day by day, weeks and months, and a forecast of the closing finished product inventory. Generally, the production budget is based on the sales budget, but in case of companies which find it difficult to forecast sales on account of frequent changes in styles and fashions, it is based upon past experience. The responsibility of the total production budget lies with the works manager and that of departmental production budgets with departmental managers. Now, what constitutes the production budget? It may be expressed in quantitative or financial units or both. The object of preparing the production budgets are what is to be produced, when it is to be produced, how it is to be produced, and where it is to be produced. Next, to chalk down and organize the production program for achieving the sales target. Third one, to serve as a basis for preparation of production cost budgets, example, material cost budget and labor cost budget. And lastly, to prepare a cash forecast. Now we shall move to the problems. Production budget, we have Lakshman and Limited plans to sell 1,10,000 units of a certain product line in the first fiscal quarter. So his sales is 1,10,000 is given. 1,20,000 units in the second quarter, 1,30,000 units in the third quarter, 1,50,000 units in the fourth quarter, and 1,40,000 in the fifth quarter. At the beginning of the first quarter of the current year, there are 14,000 units of the product in stock. At the end of each quarter, the company plans to have an inventory equal to 1/5 of the sales for the next fiscal quarter. How many units must be manufactured in each quarter of the current year? So to derive below that, formula for calculating is with sales, we add the closing stock and minus the opening stock. To proceed with the problem, Lakshman and Limited project budget for the year ending, it is given. Particulars, all the 4 quarters are given, and that last column we have the total units. First we start with the sales. First quarter it is 1,10,000. With that we are going to add closing stock, that is 1/5 of the next quarter sales. With that we find that next quarter sales is 1,20,000 and 1/5 of it comes to 24,000. So 1,10,000 plus 24,000, you get 1,34,000. With that, less opening stock. Opening stock is given as opening stock. First quarter of the current year, there are 14,000 units in the product in stock. Yes, 14,000 we have. So 1,34,000 minus 14,000, you get 1,20,000. With that 1,20,000, it is continued. Closing stock is, it is as given as 1/5 of the next quarter sales. So the next quarter sales is 1,30,000 and 1/5 of it is 26,000. So 1,20,000 plus 26,000, we get 1,46,000. And opening stock, it says that 1,20,000 for the same quarter we have 1,20,000 and at the end of each quarter, the company plans to have an inventory equal to 1/5 of the sales of the next fiscal quarter. So it is 1,20,000 into divided by 5, you get 24,000. Next, with that 1,30,000, we start with the third quarter. 1,50,000 is the fourth quarter sales, divided by 5, you get 30,000. So 1,30,000 plus 30, you get 1,60,000. And opening stock is 1,30,000 divided by 5, you get 26,000. So totally 1,60,000 minus 26,000, you get 1,34,000. And in the fourth quarter units, the sales is 1,50,000. One-fifth of it is from the next unit of sales we are getting, it is 28,000. So totally we get 1,78,000. And 1,50,000 divided by 5, you get 30,000. So 1,78,000 minus 30,000, you get 1,48,000. With that, what the question is asked is how many units must be manufactured in each quarter, every quarter. So it says that 1,20,000 units to be produced in the first quarter. Second quarter it is 1,22,000. Third quarter it is 1,34,000. Fourth quarter it is 1,48,000. And total units to be manufactured is 5,24,000. Hope you understood this production budget. With this, we would proceed with the next video. Thank you.